This is Vile Kyle, and you're watching Chuck's Brain, or the Charlie Brain, or Zovina. Yeah. Hey everybody, let's go see what's in the fridge.
What you want to do is do it. Hey guys, I could edit it out.
What? Do it again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey guys.
Hey guys! Let's go see what's in the fridge today.
This fridge, of course, is not like Greg's fridge. What have we got?
Fancy feast.
Fancy feast. Oh,
yeah.
There we go. There we go. Oh, what's this? What's this? Can I try some of this?
Yeah. Whoa. Uh-oh. I can't breathe. Oh shit. Uh-oh. I can breathe. I can breathe. I can breathe. I can breathe. Oh. Time to make the 911 video. Well, time to go to the donut house. Whatever.
Donut house. Well, that's a like a high class name for you there.
Jamaica me crazy.
Jamaica me crazy. I've had that coffee before. It's good.
Yeah, I don't drink this.
Wild stuff. Thanks for saving me, Valkal.
You gave I was gonna say.
You gave the douchebag thumb.
Right. Drink only powdered kitten milk replacement stuff.
Well, I'm gonna try this.
It's just powdered milk, basically.
Okay. We're out. We're out.